We couldn't sign you into Xbox Live Windows error X. If you've ever tried signing into Xbox Live on Windows and seen the dreaded error X, you know how frustrating it can be. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's a permanent server issue, but the surprising truth is that this error usually relates to connectivity or account settings, and it can be fixed quickly. First, check your internet connection. Xbox Live requires a stable connection, so make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working properly. Restart your router if needed and avoid using AVBNS during login, as these can interfere with Xbox Live authentication. Next, ensure your Windows account and Xbox profile are correctly linked. Open the Xbox app, go to Settings, and verify your account details. Sign out and sign back in if necessary. Sometimes credentials stored on your device may be corrupted, causing the error. Another common fix is to clear the Xbox cache. Press Windows R, type users@x and hit Enter. This resets the Xbox Store cache and can resolve login issues. Additionally, check the Xbox Live status page to confirm that services are operational, though most issues are local to your device. If the problem persists, update your Windows system and Xbox app. Outdated software can trigger compatibility issues that lead to error X. Go to Windows Update and the Microsoft Store to ensure everything is up to date. In conclusion, Xbox Live error X is usually a minor issue caused by account settings, connectivity or cached data. By checking your network, verifying your account, clearing the cache, and updating your apps, you can regain access quickly and get back to gaming. Don't panic, the solution is often just a few steps away.